Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you on how to do how to do calls for real estate investment. So our topic today is doing phone calls. So I used this script before when I starting up the real estate investor task. So okay, for outbound seller, we're calling the residential property. So, hello, is this John? Yes, this is him. How can I help you? Yes, my name is Maria and I'm calling in regards to your property at 123 Main Street. Okay, what about it? So the reason I'm calling is because our company just bought a home right by yours and I wanted to reach out to you personally to make you an offer for your home if you are interested or would you consider selling it. So yes, what's your offer? Or I'm offered to hear an offer. So great. Well, we don't formulate an offer until we get an okay from the homeowner. But the process is very simple. It just need to ask you a few questions about the condition of the home. Is that okay? Okay, yes. Great. Can you tell me a little bit about the property? Just some basics like the number of beds and baths, square footage, any updates or improvements, things like that, like HVAC, kitchen, bathrooms, roof, electrical, and plumbing. So once the seller gives you the information about the property, wow, it seems like a great property. Why are you looking to sell it? Or at least, what price are you looking for? So if they gave the response, I see. How long have you thought about selling it? If seller not seriously interested and just wanted to hear offer, skip that question. Okay? Is the property vacant? Are tenants or are you still living in the property? So if they give the responses, then okay, great. Considering everything we just discussed, do you have any ideas about what you think the property might be worth it? So if they give you some like 150, okay, sounds good. Well, if we presented you an all cash offer that you like, when would you be ready to sell it? So it might be 7 days, 30 days, or 60 days. Okay, thank you for this information. What I'll do for now is I have my manager run the numbers on our end and we'll call you back with an offer ready to go. Sounds good? Yes, thank you. Perfect. So when you take over the lead from VA, hi, this is John. Yes, my name is Maria. I believe you just spoke with my assistant in regards to your property on the 123 Main Street. Did I catch you at a good time? So this is for the acquisition, okay? Yes, great. Well, our process is really simple. I'll start off by asking a few more questions about the property. Is that okay with you? Sure. So from here, you move to your inbound script. So for inbound, this is our inbound script. So for the inbound script, hello. So yeah, we just bought a home right by yours, and we would like to make an offer of your home if you're thinking about selling it. So if they say yes, great. Again, my name is Maria, um, and then this is the pre-qualification questions that the acquisition would be asking for. So you can tell me a little bit about the property, the condition, the number of bedroom, bathrooms. Even though that the V already get all this information, you have to ask it again, just to make sure that you have the correct information. So the inbound seller script is thank you to thank thanks thank you. Uh, Take your time and make sure you get number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the square footage, the year built, the info on HVAC, the kitchen, roof, electrical, plumbing, etc. So, have the kitchen or bathroom been updated recently or are they just in fair shape? If they give response, great home. We know that the area sounds good. So why are you looking to sell it? So if they give response, what's a real reason? So if presented you with an offer that made sense to you, that you like, what time frame would you be ready to sell it? So mostly they will say 7 to 10 days, 30 plus days, or 60 days. So if they give response, okay, great. Now I'm trying to look around the area and some similar properties based on the condition you described it to me. So what I see on the tax records online as far as the square footage and things like that. So talk about the findings from your research of the property. This is where you build your case and reminds the seller the property needs a lot of work. So I'm looking in the area and I see a few properties here. Are you familiar with, or of course, Main Street? If they give response, well, I see this house on 123 Main Street just sold for price of 120, and it's in similar condition to yours. I know you mentioned that you need some work, right? But while I'm looking around here, considering the condition it's in, did you have any ideas about what you think your might be worth, or what you are looking to at least sell it for? So you have to repeat the repairs and the updates and needs to the property. So if a seller won't give a price and they adamant about you making an offer, don't give a set price. Only give a wide price range. So negotiate if you were negotiating. So well, if we can cover all the closing costs, the fees, the commission, and all of that for you, and we could get this all done today, what do you think it's the best price you can do? So if the seller gives, that amount, okay, let me do this. I'm going to speak with my partner real quick to see if we can do that price. I'm not sure if but it's a price we can do. Is this something you'd be ready to move forward with today? Perfect. Let me speak with them real quick, and it's okay if I call you back on about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, great. I'll give you a call right back. Thanks. So when we call back, hi, John. My name is Maria again. I just spoke with my partner a few moments ago about your property on 123 Main Street. Did I catch you a good time? If they say yes, okay. Well, we got a great news. It looks like we can do that price. So the next step is going to send you an email so we can review the agreement together. What is the best email for you? All right, great. Well, when would you be able to get in front of a computer or have access to your email? So that's the closing. Okay, so I think that's for now.